What's up, peoples? I don't know if you guys are used to unboxing shows, but I'm gonna do a video on unboxing Black Lilly Coffee's Ethiopian Anyway, in case you don't notice, there's a little tab here on the front. Light could be better. You're gonna pull that to open it up. Oops. So you reach in and grab the little plastic thing so you can just pull it across. Or you can just stick your finger in like I'm getting ready to do. This would happen. Anyway, once you get this open, there's a Ziploc in there that actually allows you to close the bag. Ooh. Normally I don't smell coffee beans like that. But them beans smell good. Anyway, here's my grinder. That's my baby in the background. Now, I load up my coffee grinder as full as I can, but I don't like to overfill it because when you go to grind them beans up, you can create some dust versus grinds. So we're gonna put a little bit more in there. And generally what I do is I'll give it 5 seconds. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. Same time I'm listening to see if there's any loose beans still unground. But I can turn this over and take a look. And looks like I done good. Now, depending on how you like to do your coffee, I generally will only grind 2 cups at a time. But I do have a vacuum sealed container that I put my coffee into and keep track of. See? Now, this is going to be roughly the same ratio as Starbucks coffee. So, I've got a 1 tablespoon scoop. And generally I put 6 scoops . 4, 5, 6. 6 scoops of coffee to 16 ounces of water, give or take. Generally, it's more 18 ounces of water because I use this big thing here, so it's not as accurate as some people may want. But it gets the job done. So I've already got my filter in, dropping my water in. We're gonna put that there. Let it percolate a little bit, and I'll be back in a minute. And in case you're wondering, yes, Brother Man did a little bit of styling. I'll be right back.